Our customers have been demanding some good quality assurance equipment for quite some time, and with the Captor, we're actually taking a picture of every box as it goes through the machine.
Captor is a visual inspection system for corrugated box manufacturing. It looks at different phases in the process, and based on the tolerances that the user configures, it flags those as failed or passed. That, depending on the type of failure, that data is sent up to the cloud through VisiPro. Up there, it's available from anywhere in the world through a web interface, so that our customers can look at their quality data, their job data, their order data, and see what types of failures they're having, what their part of the process they're good at, what part of the process they maybe could work on some more, so that they can improve their quality for their end customers.
In the corrugated box industry, what we're doing with Captor is we're actually looking at the glue inspection. We're looking at the glue pattern itself to make sure it's in the proper location, to make sure that it's the proper volume. We're looking at the box skew, or the box orientation as it comes through the machine, to make sure it's not skewed or angled. We're looking at the slots of the box to make sure that the die cuts are proper. And we're also looking at print registration, which is very big, to make sure that the box is, once again, not skewed as it goes through the machine, and the print registration is in the proper location, and also print quality. Something that none of our competition can do is we're actually looking at the density of the print and the color density of the print to make sure that it is proper. Along with the Captor, we automatically give the customer what we call ValcoLink. ValcoLink is a Ethernet connection to our control, to our Captor control. That gives us at Valco a link, an internet link to that control, so that we can diagnose over the internet what is wrong with the machine or what is wrong with our system.
So when we use ValcoLink to troubleshoot, we attach to the system, we can see the screen that you're seeing, we can control the screen, so we can make adjustments to the software directly on the screen. The customer can see what we're doing locally, so it's kind of a collaboration there.
The other thing it gives them is gives us an opportunity to update the software. We're just like Microsoft to a certain degree, or any software manufacturer. We're always constantly improving our software and working out issues with it, if there are issues with it, and constantly improving the quality of our software so we can update that machine to make sure that our customer is running the latest and greatest software. The other thing, the second part of ValcoLink, is our VisiPro software, which is data collection as far as defect rate, events that are happening on the machine.
VisiPro is a data collection tool that runs in parallel with your Captor system and data, and transfers it to a server that is installed in a separate location. We call it the cloud.
Plant management can actually create graphs and charts with our software as far as how much production is being made, how many defects they had according to glue, or according to skew, or according to slot registration or print registration. This is very valuable.
With VisiPro, a production manager can, regardless of where they are, they can log on to the VisiPro site, and they can see the current status, the current production status of all of their systems, you know, how they're running, what speed they're running at, what failures are occurring.
You can also look at all these data, all the data that is collected in the cloud on a historic base. You can go back for many months and see details on certain jobs,
and look at what failures that occurred for each month or each quarter or each year, to see where they're losing money in their process.
One of our technicians, we have 24/7 technical support available, and our technicians can go on site and they can actually visually see on their computer, no matter where they're at, as long as they have an internet connection, they can see that control, and they can see and diagnose what's going on with it.
It really doesn't matter where you are in the world. ValcoLink will work for every customer and every configuration.
These machines are all over the world, in Japan and in Europe and South America, and here in Cincinnati, Ohio, I can get on those systems and see what's going on and troubleshoot those.
And so, in essence, time is money today, and by eliminating a flight to that customer's plant and personnel time, I mean, we charge quite a bit of money per hour plus travel time. So it saves us time, it saves the customer's time, and it saves us money, and it saves our customers money.